Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial for SQL SET Operation. So in this tutorial we are going to learn what an SQL SET operation is along with its types. So the types of SQL SET operations are union, union all, intersect and minus. So let's understand what actually an SQL SET operation is. So SQL SET is nothing but it is used to combine two tables and get some meaningful result from that table. So we basically create two tables and we combine those two tables, and from both the tables we get some meaningful results. So for that purpose we use SQL set operations. So let's learn about the types. So the first type is union. Now this union operation is used to simply eliminate duplicate rows from the tables. So let's create some tables and try and understand this union with the help of query. So I'll be creating two tables. So let me first connect to the database. So yeah, I'm connected. Now we'll be creating two tables. So the first table will be first, and I'll give some column. So first column will be ID and second one will be name as varchar, and let's give some field. So table is created. Likewise we'll create second table and we'll keep the same values ID and name. Now the next thing what we'll do is we will insert some values. Insert at least four values in both the tables. So insert into first values 1, and I'll give some name. Let's keep it as Jack. So likewise I'll give some name to second one, to third one, and the fourth one. So I'm giving the fourth name as ABC, and I'll give the same name in the second table as well, so that you'll understand it more clearly. Now I'll put some values in second table as well. So I'm putting some values in second table. Stephen. Now I'll give the third value. David, and fourth one I'll give as ABC itself. So we have inserted all the values. Now let's check what we have inserted in both the tables. So I'll use select asterisk from first and select asterisk from second. So you can see these are the values which I have inserted in both the tables. Now I'll be running the first query for union. So the query is select asterisk from first union select asterisk from second. Now what union will do is it will remove the duplicate value. Now you can see here fourth is fourth ABC, 4 ABC, ID name 4 and ID number 4 and name ABC is in both the tables, that is first and second, so it is duplicate, so it will remove the duplicate value and only return the unique values. So you can see here it has removed one duplicate value and only returned the values which is unique. So 1 as Jack and 1 as Jackson, 2 as Harry and 2 as Stephen, 3 as David and 3 as Jackson, 4 it returned only 1 because 4 the another one was duplicate, so it removed the duplicate value. Now the next one is union all. Now union all returns all the values without removing it. So it basically does not remove the duplicate value, and whatever is there in our database, it simply returns all everything. So let's run it and try to see with the help of an query. So I'll simply change or add all out here. So you can see that all the values whatever are there in our table is returned. Now next thing what you'll notice is all the values are sorted as well. So union all also sorts the data in its order. So here you can see 1 2 3 4. Likewise in second table also all the values are sorted in some order. So union all is used for that purpose. Next one is intersect. Now this intersect basically returns the common values from both the tables. So the value that is common in both the table, it returns that. So let's see with the help of an query. So I'll simply change intersect. So you can see here that it only returned the value which is matching. The matching value is 4. So it returned that. Now the last one is minus. So the minus query or minus set operation is used to display row or display values which is present in first table but only the unique ones. So the matching value which is matching with within both the tables, it won't return that. It will only return the values which is unique, and that too from the first table only. Let us see with the help of an query. So as you can see that 4 ABC was in both the tables. So it removed that because that was not unique. It was there in both the tables. So it only returned values which are unique in first table. So I hope you understood this SQL set operations. So if you have any queries, you can simply text me up and I'll solve your queries. So thank you for watching.